Hello Internet, I'm Gurpreet. I've made the following things on this table, as well as many other creations that I'll link in the description and the card above. Please check them out if you want to. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Trinary. So a lot of people don't know what this is, they get confused about it. So just a quick tutorial about what this topic is, just for your understanding. So Trinary is 3 bits, right? So, right, try, 3, bi is 2, right? So binary is usually 2 bits, that's what most computers use nowadays. Trinary was a thing that was explored in the past, and is used somewhat today, but not as frequently as people would hope. Maybe in the coming future, this more advanced way of processing will become more of a standard, but we'll see what happens. So it's used a lot in 3D engines, as you can see, right? So this is like, a face that I just drew right here. And so zoomed in, you can see it's made a bunch of triangles. So trinary is used to represent each point of this triangle, right? So one for each part. A triangle is 3-sided shape, right? So for each point in space, you need a bit. There you go, trinary works perfectly. Another point right here, the Triforce. In Zelda, actually, the game was made of a trinary 3D engine, right? So that's a little Easter egg if you didn't know that. The Triforce is based off of the fact that the whole engine is a 3-bit system, right? Tri, 3, force, right there. And then also, in electric cycles, like tricycles, right? With the 3 wheels, they need to be able to model where the 3 wheels are in 3-dimensional space. And so each wheel takes up, a vector of 3-dimensional space, and they need to use a trinary based dimensional space to represent where these wheels are. And so it's often used in electric scooters that have 3 wheels, trikes or tricycles. And then most importantly, right here, the discovery of trinary was founded by the same people that built this famous pyramid. And their symbol, actually, here, let me finish it up, is a pyramid with an eye, right? Because they see the future, which is trinary, right? So it was actually, trinary was made by the Freemasons, which later is now known as the Illuminati, but whatever, that's it's in the past, that doesn't really matter, but it's gonna make a resurgence soon, I'm pretty sure. If you want to invest in the trinary stock, you definitely should do that. 3-6 Mafia, right? The famous rap group. 3-6 try. You get the picture. So that was a quick just tutorial on trinary, introduction to it. I'll make more videos in the future about this, explaining more and more about the subject. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave the thumbs up if you did, and happy April 1st. Bye.